Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Viral Daily English. My name is Chloe, and today I'm going to tell you all about my morning routine. I'll speak slowly and clearly so it's easy for beginners and A2 learners to follow. Are you ready? Let's begin. I usually wake up around 7 a.m. My alarm rings softly, and I open my eyes. Sometimes I feel sleepy, but I take a deep breath and smile. Then I sit up, stretch my arms, and feel the new day begin. The first thing I do is go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth carefully and rinse my mouth. Then I wash my face with cold water. It feels fresh and helps me wake up completely. I look in the mirror and say, okay, let's have a good day.
That sounds nice, Chloe. What do you do next?
After that, I go to the kitchen to make breakfast. I like to keep my breakfast simple and healthy. Most mornings, I eat bread and eggs, and sometimes I add a few slices of fruit like apples or bananas. I also drink a hot cup of tea, which makes me feel warm, calm, and ready for the day.
Im. Tea sounds perfect in the morning.
Yes, it really is. After breakfast, I go to my room to choose my clothes. I usually wear jeans and a comfortable shirt, but if the weather is cold, I add a sweater or a jacket. Then I brush my hair and look in the mirror again to make sure I'm ready. Next, I check my bag. I always take my phone, keys, and wallet. Sometimes I also pack a small notebook and a pen because I like to write down ideas or notes during the day.
Sounds like you're well prepared, Chloe.
I try to be. Finally, I put on my shoes, open the door, and step outside. The air is fresh and cool. I walk to the bus stop and see many other people going to work or school. The city starts to wake up, cars move, people talk, and the sun slowly rises. That's my morning routine. It helps me feel calm, organized, and ready to start my day with a smile.
Thank you, Chloe. That was a great routine.
Thank you, Ethan, and thank you everyone for listening. What about you? What do you do in the morning? Tell us in the comments below.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Viral Daily English for more easy English lessons and daily conversations.
See you next time, friends. Bye.